Hi, Candle Besties. I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Sandy, and I am the founder of Love You Candle Co. And today, I wanted to pretty much kind of like update you guys about what's been going on with me. My last video that I made was basically just, putting my opinion and some feedback regarding vendor events, ways you can increase your sales, things that you can tweak around. But today, I'm pretty much going to give you guys an update of my life, what's been going on. Because I know a lot of you, I've seen your DMs, your emails, and you've been concerned and, kind of like, where does she go? So yes, I'm here, and I wanted to share with you guys what's been going on with me for the past year. So before that, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I get back to you within 24 hours. I try to. So without further ado, let's get started. So a year ago, a lot of you may not know, I'm not sure, I had knee surgery. So that's why I stopped making candles last year. And I was going through a lot of things. I've been very open about mental health, how it has impacted me in a lot of different ways. So I pretty much took a year off of making candles. It was very hard because I had to kind of like let go of, of that hands-on therapy. That's why I started making candles in the first place. But I had knee surgery. I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see more or less after surgery, what I went through. But it was very hard mentally on me because I could not do anything. I was literally in my bed on my second floor for a whole month without going down. And it was very hard. It was very frustrating. I didn't know what I was gonna do. And at that time, I was also at the heaviest that I've ever been, which was 213 pounds. It was so much. I was battling so many internal things inside. And right before I had my surgery, my biggest fear was gaining more weight after surgery because I was going to be confined to my bed. I'm like, what the heck? What am I going to do? So I really started taking my health seriously, especially because the weight goes with the knee surgery. It goes with the pain of my knees, my joints, because I'm carrying all this excessive weight. And I'm short, guys. I don't know if you know my height, but I am 4'11", 4'10", something like that. And 5 pounds on me can look like 15 pounds. It's just a lot. So it was taking a toll, not just on my asthma, but on my knees as well. So I had knee surgery, and it actually has been a whole year. I had knee surgery on November 1st. And after I was able to kind of get up, I had help to make candles for my wholesale orders, but I wasn't really making candles for retail or anything like that. What I started doing was pretty much changing the way I was eating, and also kind of like letting go of the sugar, because sugar was like a big thing in my life. So it was very hard, but I am down to 157 pounds from 213. So hallelujah, I am so happy. I feel so amazing. I really, really do. And another change in my life has been I have gone back to my faith. I am a reborn Christian. I got baptized last month. I feel so amazing. I've grown closer to God. And I feel like that has been a big change. As you know, I started therapy last year, and that was another thing that absolutely changed everything for me. I knew that I needed to address the traumas that I carried from my childhood. And if you want to know more about that, I can make a whole separate video kind of like being open about it. I don't gatekeep. I'm an open book. I share. Why? Because I feel like my story can resonate with a lot of people. And I feel like also my experience will help you feel like you're not alone. It is hard times. Our world, I don't know what's going on, guys, but it's just crazy out there. And we have to kind of like keep, stay in a leveled place, in a sane place, and hold on to our faith so we can kind of like go, move forward and not allow the things that are happening outside of our house that we can't control affect us. So I have done so many things, and I will tell you that the weight loss has helped me mentally so much. My confidence is back. I feel so much better, and that's one of the reasons why I'm able to, to stand here in front of you and make this video for you and kind of share my journey. I don't want to make this too long because I don't want to kind of like chitter chatter. But what I do want to address, what I do want to share with you guys is if you are battling mental health, you're feeling depressed, your anxiety is over the roof, and you're going through a lot of different changes and you're going through stuff in your life, kids, family, husband, parents, siblings, whatever your story might be, understand that you are not alone. And a lot of us are here going through similar situations as you. Reach out. I am so big on community. So I go to Elevation Church here in Orlando, and I have found my community where I can openly speak about what I'm feeling, no judgment, and I can really find people that are going to genuinely care and kind of like help me through what I'm going through, But yes, I am back making candles. I am back with my wholesale orders. I do have wholesale orders that I attend to. I'm trying to lay off a little bit of the retail because I do have a corporate job. I am, I have my eggs in so many different baskets. I'm doing affiliate marketing. I'm doing digital marketing. I am doing so many different things, and I'm also back creating content. So I just wanted to share this with you guys to kind of like update you on what's been going on with me, what are my next plans. I have been working on this digital marketing course for the past month, and I am so amazed at what I have found. And if you want to know more about this on how you can make additional passive income, investing 2 to 3 hours in the day where you can use those funds, that investment, to put into your candle business, I would be more than happy to share it with you. So comment in the comments, and my next video I can go ahead and share more about this course. But it's a course that's definitely that you can use. It's going to teach you so many different things about business, about marketing, about business strategy, about branding, content creation, reels, TikToks, how to edit, email marketing. Email marketing is something that every single one of you should be doing. It consists of a big percentage of your sales annually, so you don't want to miss out on that. So the beauty about this course also is that you can go ahead and turn around and sell it for profits. It comes with 100% license for you to resell it. So if you want to know more, you want me to make a video about it, go ahead and comment below and let me know. And my next video, I will share more details about this course so you guys can join if you'd like to. But I just want to let you know that I am here, and any questions that you may have or anything you want me to address or talk about, please leave it in the comments. That's the only way I can know. But I'm so happy to share another video with you guys. But just know I'm okay. I'm very happy. I'm thriving. I'm just so happy to be back sharing with you guys because I've missed you. I've missed interacting with you guys. So I'm just happy to be back, and I know I've said I've been back. I know my husband tells me all the time. He's like, you tell them all the time that you're back, and then you leave. I'm like, well, that's life. Yeah, I know. But I am back and I'm here to stay. So I can't wait to share more content with you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Ciao.